Word, my nigga Dre fishing. Word. Oh, that nigga got a fish. Oh shit. Oh shit. Jamil, you missing out, boy? Nigga Dre caught a bass, man.
So I get him by the mouth?
Yeah.
By the side first.
Grab him by the side of the mouth. Grab him by the mouth. Then you can bend him over with your thumb.
Just moving.
Wait till you slow down and grab him quick. Don't get hooked. I see you.
I don't want to get hooked. That's.
Hey, grab him by the, you gotta grab him by the mouth quick. See how he not moving? Alright. Let's take the hook out. Little young bass, you know. See that nigga face? Oh, look at that nigga.
That shit got stuck in his jaw, boy.
Nah, boy, you gotta take it out, boy. You gotta be rough with the niggas. That's the hook ain't gonna come out. You can't be a softy, man. Look at that.
Take a picture, Nate.
I'm videotaping it, man.
Oh, you got me? That's like little young bass, you know what I mean?
Put him back.
Put him like that.
Say something.
Disappear, just like that.
That's one for the day.
Good, you know what I mean?
Hey.